Welcome to the exciting world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, woodworking offers endless possibilities for expression and innovation. This art form allows you to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces that can enhance your living space or serve practical purposes. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover not only the joy of creating, but also the satisfaction that comes from working with your hands and seeing tangible results. With the right guidance and resources, you can develop your skills and turn your passion for woodworking into a fulfilling hobby or even a profitable business. In today's market, there's a growing demand for handmade, sustainable products, making woodworking an attractive venture. As consumers increasingly seek unique and eco-friendly items, woodworkers have the opportunity to cater to these needs. From crafting simple home decor to building custom furniture, the possibilities are vast. This guide will explore various woodworking projects that are both easy to execute and designed to generate profit, while emphasizing the importance of sustainability and quality craftsmanship. Join us as we delve into the essentials of woodworking, offering insights and tips that will empower you to create beautiful pieces and potentially turn your passion into a thriving business. If you're enjoying this content and want to support our journey in the world of woodworking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest projects, tips, and techniques that can elevate your woodworking skills. If you find value in what you're learning, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. It helps us reach more people and build a community passionate about crafting. And be sure to stay with us until the end of the video, where we'll reveal some bonus tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Your engagement is invaluable, and we appreciate your support as we explore the art of woodworking together. Woodworking offers a unique opportunity for beginners to blend creativity with entrepreneurship. With the rise of consumer interest in handmade and sustainable products, novice woodworkers can carve out a niche in the market. This sector not only allows for artistic expression, but also provides a pathway to financial gain. The allure of woodworking lies in its versatility, enabling individuals to create a wide range of items that serve practical purposes while also appealing to aesthetic sensibilities. As more people seek personalized and ethical products, beginners have a chance to turn their passion for woodworking into a viable business. Understanding the market. Before embarking on a woodworking venture, it's crucial to grasp the dynamics of the market. Conducting thorough research into current trends can provide valuable insights. Consumers today are increasingly drawn to items that are not only functional, but also reflect their values, such as sustainability and craftsmanship. Popular areas include home decor, furniture, and outdoor products. By understanding what consumers are looking for, be it rustic charm, modern simplicity, or unique designs, woodworkers can tailor their projects to meet these demands, thereby enhancing their chances of success. Identifying profitable projects. Identifying projects that are both easy to execute and in high demand is a key step for beginners. Focus on items that require minimal materials and tools, such as simple furniture pieces, storage solutions, or garden decor. These projects should not only be manageable for a novice, but also have a broad appeal. For instance, a basic bookshelf or a set of coasters can attract a wide audience. By starting with these practical items, beginners can build their skills while also generating income, creating a perfect balance between learning and profitability. Developing your skills. Skill development is an ongoing process in woodworking. Beginners should start with fundamental techniques, including measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing. As they become more comfortable with these basics, they can gradually take on more complex projects that challenge their abilities. Investing time in learning proper techniques not only improves the quality of the finished products, but also boosts confidence. Online tutorials, local workshops, and instructional books can provide valuable resources to help beginners refine their skills and expand their project repertoire. Creating a business plan. A solid business plan serves as a foundation for any successful venture. For woodworkers, this plan should outline goals, target markets, pricing strategies, and marketing approaches. Consider what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. This roadmap will help you stay organized and focused, enabling you to track progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. A well-defined business plan can also serve as a tool for securing funding or partnerships, should you choose to expand your operations in the future. Sourcing sustainable materials. Incorporating sustainability into your woodworking business can be a significant selling point. Many consumers are actively seeking eco-friendly products, making it essential to source sustainable materials. Look for options like reclaimed wood, bamboo, or certified sustainable lumber. Highlighting the environmental benefits of your products can attract environmentally conscious buyers and differentiate your brand. By committing to sustainability, you not only contribute positively to the environment, but also align your business with consumer values, potentially increasing your market reach. Setting up a workspace. Creating an efficient and comfortable workspace is crucial for productivity. Choose a dedicated area where you can focus on your projects without distractions. Ensure this space is well lit, organized, and equipped with the necessary tools. A clutter-free environment promotes creativity and efficiency, allowing you to work more effectively. Additionally, consider safety measures, such as proper ventilation and protective gear, to ensure a safe working experience. A well-designed workspace can significantly enhance your workflow and the quality of your craftsmanship. Marketing your woodworking business. Effective marketing is vital for attracting customers to your woodworking business. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your projects and engage with your audience. Share high-quality images of your work, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and tutorials to build a community around your brand. Content marketing can also play a crucial role. Consider starting a blog to discuss woodworking techniques, project ideas, and trends. Engaging with potential customers through various channels helps build brand awareness and fosters loyalty, ultimately driving sales. Turning passion into profit. Woodworking presents an exciting opportunity to combine creativity with entrepreneurship. By focusing on simple, functional projects, beginners can create a sustainable business that generates profit while contributing to a more eco-friendly marketplace. With dedication to skill development, effective marketing, and a customer-centric approach, your woodworking venture can flourish. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of turning your passion for woodworking into a rewarding and profitable endeavor. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring as you explore the world of woodworking. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more projects, tips, and techniques that will enhance your skills. Your likes and shares help us reach a wider audience and foster a community of passionate woodworkers. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy woodworking!